Welcome to SaadX. This video we are going to solve exponential expression 2 problems. First one. Here is two sides, left hand side and right hand side. We have to prove that left hand side equals to a minus b. So first left hand side. Here is a to the power 1 by 3 minus b to the power 1 by 3 times a to the power 2 by 3 plus a to the power 1 by 3 times 1 by b to the power 1 by 3 plus b to the power 2 by 3. Very simple things. Now look, here is important things. A 1 by 3 minus b 1 by 3, and here b 2 by 3, and last b also a 2 by 3 and b also 2 by 3. But look, have any similarity of these expressions? We know a theory a cube minus b cube. Once we factorize, the answer will be a minus b times a square minus ab plus b square, right? So here 1 by 3, and here look, a square, it means 2 by 3, also 1 by 3. So if you think, let's think let a to the power 1 by 3 equals to m and b to the power 1 by 3 equals to n. So what will happen in here? So a to the power 1 by 3, against we can write m, and b to the power 1 by 3 we can write n, right? Next, here a to the power 2 by 3, a to the power 2 by 3, we can write a to the power 1 by 3 and power will be 2. We can write this one, and this one is m, it means m square, right? M square plus here is a to the power 1 by 3 times 1 b to the power 1 by 3, we can write m n, plus here is a b to the power 2 by 3. So look, b to the power 2 by 3, we can write b to the power 1 by 3 and whole to the power 2. So we already get b to the power 1 by 3, it means n. So we can write n square. So here is n square. Now it's a simple formula, is m what? M cube minus n cube as per factorization, right? Now look, m cube minus n cube. So m means what? M means a to the power 1 by 3, we can write a to the power 1 by 3 and whole to the power 3. Similar, n means b to the power 1 by 3 and to the power 3. Okay, because a to the power 1 by 3 means m and b to the power 1 by 3 equals to n. Now look, it's a very simple thing, a to the power 1 by 3 times 3 minus b to the power 1 by 3 times 3. So 3 and 3 we can divide, so answer will be a minus b. Very simple. Okay, so undoubtedly I hope you understand this one, but you can prove this one another way. We also discuss that way. Now we will discuss about this expression by second method. How? It's a very simple thing. This one and this one we can multiply, so it will become, we know a to the power 1 by 3 times a to the power 2 by 3. So this one we can write a to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. That means a to the power what? We can make LCM, so 1 plus 2 by 3, it means 1 a to the power 2 plus 1 is a 3 and divide 3, so you can out, so it will be a. Okay, so a to the power 1 by 3 times a to the power 2 by 3, it will become a. Okay, or you can write 1 by 3 times a to the power 2 by 3, up to you. Then plus same, a to the power 1 by 3 times a to the power 1 by 3 times b to the power 1 by 3. Okay, next plus here is a to the power 1 by 3 times b to the power 2 by 3. Okay, now what next? Here is minus, then a to the power 2 by 3 times b to the power 1 by 3 minus, then a to the power 1 by 3 times b to the power 1 by 3 times b to the power 1 by 3. Okay, and finally minus b to the power 1 by 3 times b to the power 2 by 3. Now 1 by 1 we can make a to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus, here is a and a similar base, so power will be sub addition, so a to the power 1 by 3 plus a to the power 1 by 3 times b to the power 1 by 3, and then plus, here it will be unchanged because a to the power 1 by 3 and b to the power 2 by 3, a and b are different variable. Okay, but if similar base will be similar, then power we can add. And next, here is also same thing, a to the power a 2 by 3 times b to the power 1 by 3 minus, here is a to the power 1 by 3 times, and b are similar base, so b to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus, here is b similar base, so 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Okay, so what next? Here is a to the power 3 and 3 similar, so LCM is 3, so 1 plus 2 plus, here is a to the power, so 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, it means 2 by 3, and then times b to the power 1 by 3 plus, here is b a to the power 1 by 3 times b to the power 2 by 3 minus, here is a to the power 2 by 3 times b to the power 1 by 3, and here is minus a to the power 1 by 3 and b 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, it will be 2 by 3, and finally minus b to the power what, 1 plus 2, it means 3 by 3. So finally here is 1 plus 2, it means 3, 3 by 3 is 1, and look, it's a very important thing. Here is a to the power 2 by 3 times b to the power 1 by 3, and here is minus a to the power 2 by 3 times b to the power 1 by 3, so we can deduct this one. And similar thing, here is plus a to the power 1 by 3 times b to the power 2 by 3 minus a to the power 1 by 3 times b to the power 2 by 3, so this one also out. And here is 3 by 3, it will be 1, so our answer is a minus b. So it's up to you which method you will follow. This is the second method, right? Second method. So you may choose yourself which one is best for you. Here we are following a cube minus b cube. It's a factorization law of variable. So these kinds of algebraic expression, you should follow the formula. It will help you to reduce time, and proveness is very smoothly. And here is a multiplication, but it's looking very much bigger, so it's up to you. So we are trying to solve number A by 2 method. Okay, so this video we are going to solve number 2. Number 2, this is also a very interesting math. Look, here is in numerator a to the power 3 plus a to the power minus 3 plus 1 divide a to the power 3 by 2 plus a to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1. So it's an interesting thing, because how we can make this one a to the power 3 plus 2 plus a to the power minus 3 by 2 and minus 1. Look, here is plus 1 and we need minus 1. So anyhow we have to out this denominator. So first we can make like this, a to the power, it's looking 3 by 2. So if you want similar 3 by 2, you should write here square. So square 2 and 2 out, it will be a to the power 3. It's a similar thing. Plus Next, here is a to the power minus 3 by 2, and here is also a to the power minus 3. So you can write a to the power minus 3 by 2 and whole to the power 2. Okay, so this one is a similar thing of a cube plus a to the power minus 3, and plus 3 plus 1 will be unchanged, and denominator is a similar thing, a to the power 3 by 2 plus a to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Right, and then it's looking a square plus b square. We know a theory, a square plus b square, it means a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So we can do similar thing. It means a plus b whole square, it means a to the power 3 by 2 plus a to the power minus 3 by 2 whole square, and then minus 2a. A means a to the power 3 by 2 times b. B means a to the power minus 3 by 2. And here is plus 1. It will be unchanged. Right? And then a to the power 3 by 2 plus a to the power minus 3 by 2 and plus 1. So what next? Next is here a to the power 3 by 2 plus a to the power minus 3 by 2 whole square and minus, this is 2, and look, a to the power 3 by 2 times a to the power minus 3 by 2, the base are same, so we can do like a to the power 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2, right? Because once base are same, that time power will be equal. It means a to the power 3 by 2, and here is plus, so we add, but plus and minus, it will be minus, so 3 by 2 and here plus 1, right? And denominator will be still unchanged, 3 by 2 plus a to the power minus 3 by 2 and plus 1. Next, here is a to the power 3 by 2 plus a to the power minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 2 times, here is 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2, it will be out, so a to the power 0 and here plus 1. And here is a to the power 3 by 2 plus a to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Then look, now very important thing, here is a to the power 3 by 2 plus a to the power minus 3 by 2 whole square, and a to the power 0, it means 1, so 2 times 1 is a 2, so minus 2 plus 1, until unchanged, a to the power 3 by 2 plus a to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Now it's a more important thing, so minus 2 plus 1, it will be minus 1, so we can write a to the power 3 by 2 plus a to the power minus 3 by 2 whole square, and 2 minus 2 plus 1 is the minus 1, and here is a to the power 3 by 2 plus a to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Now look, here is a to the power 3 by 2 plus a to the power minus 3 by 2 whole square, it's looking a square, and 1 square means 1, it means b square, so a square minus b square will be a to the power 3 by 2 plus a to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1, and a plus b times a minus b, so a to the power 3 by 2 plus a to the power minus 3 by 2 minus 1, right? And divide a to the power 3 by 2 plus a to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1. So here is plus 1 and this one is plus 1 out, and finally we get a to the power 3 by 2 plus a to the power minus 3 by 2 minus 1, and this is our answer, or it's a right hand side. Look, it's a similar things. So number 1 and 2, you should carefully how you can implement any theory. Once you implement any theory, the question will be smooth. Okay, so number 1 and 2 done. I hope you clear this one, but if you have any confusion, please write a line in the comment section, and don't forget, share my channel, and please subscribe also my channel. Thank you.